So over here in text, what you can actually also do is go ahead and add in a link to that text. For example, if I were to go around over here and let's say, for example, I'm going to select around this particular word, or I can select two words as well, a range of text. Then what I can do is I can select it and then click on link right here. Then you can see that I can go ahead and link this to our URL. Let's say I'm going to go ahead and open up the link in a new window, and you can also go ahead and choose underline or no underline links. To make it specific, I'm just going to go ahead and underline it, and over here I'm going to type in https:// and then www.wikipedia.org right here, just like this. And now this range of text has been linked. So now what I'm also going to do is select this range, let's say for example, and link it out. I'm going to click on link, and in this case I'm going to link to a particular page. Let's say for example FAQ page right here, and press OK. So now you got a web page link and an internal page link, as you can see right here. So let me just go ahead and preview this and choose desktop, let's say for example right here. And what happens now is it loads up the web page. So now what I can do is if I were to go ahead and click right here, you can see that Wikipedia opens up. But if I were to click on this text, then you can see that the FAQ page, the internal link, opens up. And you can go ahead and remove out the link right here, or you can go ahead right here, click on it to edit out the link as well. So let's say for example, if I were to go around over here, just like this. So let's just go ahead and then select it. Let's say for example right here, if I were to go ahead and link it, and I'm going to link to a page right here, let's say for example, I can click on edit link, and then I can go ahead and change around the link as I want, just like that as well. And that is how you can go ahead and add link to text inside of Microsoft Power Pages. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe